subject science, class 5th, chapter 3. We are a bit different. Good morning, my dear children. Here we are going to study about the some qualities which are the some people or children have if they are physically not able. Let us start today's chapter. Introduction. If you are blindfolded and are asked to read your book, can you do so? Your answer will be no. But there are many people in the world who are unable to see but get education. Helen Keller couldn't see, but she is an author. You might have identified the item by touching them. Those of our companions who are unable to see identified the alphabets by touching them with the help of particular system. This system is called Braille system or Braille language. The way you could understand the instructions through sign language is used for mute deaf people. Here is the story of Braille language. Children, here is a picture of Braille language. With these dots, we can understand or we can write the Braille language, or people used to read by these dots. Louis Braille lived in France. Once during his childhood, when he was playing in his father's workshop, his eyes got hurt. Louis Braille was a brilliant student. He was being taught differently. It was very difficult to study from those textbooks because it was more time consuming. During that period, an army captain visited his school and he showed the students and teachers the language based on the 12 points invented by himself. Louis Braille, with his efforts, modified these 12 points into 6 points. Hence, the language developed by him was named Louis Braille language. Let us know about Braille language. Children, here you can see the picture of the some instruments which we use for reading of Braille language. In Braille system, there are raised dots for every alphabet point. Specially designed scale on which a group of 6 dots is given in a sequence is used. Whichever alphabets to be written on the paper accordingly that dots is pressed with a pointed pen like divide. The pointed pen is called stylus. Example of Braille language. With this dot you can do it. We can write with this dot. Okay. So children, this is your homework. You practice this alphabet right by the dot. Cerebral palsy. Children, this is one type of disease. In this disease, we can see children or people are not able, or this type of people we call specially abled people or specially abled children. Yes, cerebral palsy. Have you heard this name? This is the all other organs of the patient of cerebral palsy are normal, but they cannot function properly. The cause of this disease is that the brain of the person suffering from it has no control upon his organs. For example, he can't pick up the book kept in front of him. Care for this disease. This disease needs a particular type of physical exercise. Physical exercise gradually enables the brain to control other organs. The same way there is a different physical exercise for practice of speaking and writing too. Exercise and questions and answers. These exercise and questions and answers write in your notebook. Filling the blanks. Louis Bailey developed Bailey system. Pointed pen is used for writing Bailey language. Pointed pen and device is called stylus. Name the native country of Louis Bailey. Answer is France. What is stylus? Stylus is a pen-like device which is used for writing Bailey language. What is cerebral palsy? This is a disease in which other organs of the person are normal but they cannot function properly. Next question is, how many dots are there in the Bailey language? 6 dots are there in the Bailey language. What is Bailey system? Answer. In the Bailey system, there are raised dots on every alphabet point. Thank you, my dear children. God bless you all.